Welcome to a new how-to video. This time we will show you how to change your Spotify queue. Open the Spotify app. First we add a playlist to the queue, so we have something to change and delete. Then press the bar down below. Click on the icon at the bottom right. Now you are in the queue. When you hold your finger on the bars next to the song, you can change the order of the playlist. By selecting an individual song, you can remove it out of the queue. You can also clear the whole queue at once. When you select one or more songs, it is possible to set up a new queue. Good luck!